Yeah, here we have a Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw. This is 1 horsepower, 115 volt model. It does have some shipping distress. I'm going to show you that in one moment. But most of all, it does operate. So I'm going to fire it up for you to show you. Okay, now I'm going to show you the shipping distress here. We got this trunnion here assembly that holds the table, and it broke. There's a big crack in it, so basically most of the components here really need to be replaced. And here's the table. The table's in good shape, but there's the other parts that are broken right here. Okay. Now the cover right here, this is the belt cover. It's in good condition here. However, it's going to need the mounting bolts. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a couple other components in the bag here, some, that belong up here like this. There's a blade guard right here. This is part of the blades holder. Right here, that broke off. So there's going to be quite a few components that need to be replaced on this machine. It does come with an instruction parts manual, a miter gauge, and you can purchase all those parts online from either Jet or E replacement parts. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. I'm not sure if these belts are the right size or if there's additional adjustments to be made. Motor operates really well.
Need some shop towels?